Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is a different style today because I don't feel like doing a full face of makeup today and I have a giant zit on the other side of my face. So we're just gonna go with the one eyebrow today, okay? So we are using the Naked Honey palette. Ooh, look at this gorgeous thing. Alright, so we're gonna see how this goes because even before I pushed the record button, my camera had the hardest time focusing and adjusting. So we're gonna see how this goes, guys, okay? Going into the palette, I'm actually not sure what look I want to do today. That's the thing, like this palette is so beautiful, friends. So many different browns, golds, which is obviously speaking my language, friends, okay? So for the first shade, guys, I'm just gonna go into the shade Sweet. I'm just gonna put that all over the crease, friends. See, like, I can't even focus right now. Please. Ooh, there we go, there we go. All right, I'm just gonna go with a big fluffy brush. All the brushes I'm using are from a Morphe set. There aren't any numbers or letters on these ones. It's a little frustrating, but I will link the set that I purchased in the description box below, friends. Alright, so I'm just making windshield wiper motions back and forth all over the crease, guys. I have very little real estate, as you can see. My eye does not have much space, so I'm just going to create the illusion of having more space. So I'm just going above my crease a little bit more. Once I am happy with the blend of that color, I'm going to take the color Swarm, which is a warmer mustardy brown color. I am really bad with describing shades, friends, my apologies. I'm using the same brush. I'm just going a little lower than where I placed Sweet, so I'm going into more circular windshield motions for this one. Really pushing it into that crease as well. Alright, so once I'm happy with that blend, there we go, I'm going to go into the color Drip, and I'm using a pointier blending brush, guys. I'm not sure if you can see that. Like so, friends. Okay, that really packs on the color and focuses it more to what you would like to cover. So I'm just going to start on the outer third of the eye, really packing in that color, and I'm going to bring it in a little bit more focused into the crease, but I'm going to go very light-handed with this, with very little product. And again, I'm just going back and forth, and I really like this palette just because of the different varieties of matte shades but also metallic shades, and they're all so beautiful and they just all work together. I can't wait to use all of them. Still deciding what I want to put on my lid. Alright, so going back to my first brush that I used for Swarm and Sweet with no additional product, I'm just going to blend out any harsh edges. And with a pencil brush, friends, I'm just going to go into the shade Sting, which is the darkest shade in the palette. I'm really going to focus that on the outer V of my eye, just to create more depth. So I feel the urge to throw Queen on top of this darker part of my eye, guys. It's such a pretty looking shade. Ooh. See if I can focus. With that pencil brush, I'm just going to dab Queen right on top of there. For the lid color, I'm going to go with HBIC, and I'm going to use my finger for that. So I'm just using my fourth finger, and look how pretty that is, guys. Ooh, focus. Hello. Hello. Oh, the struggles, guys, the struggles. Yes. Alright, so I'm just going to carefully apply that on my eye. Alright, and it looks like so, friends. And then, just to blend out the shade between Queen and and HBIC a little better. I'm just gonna take the same finger. I'm gonna grab Amber. I'm gonna place it right between the two shades. Ooh, I like that actually. And I'm just dabbing gently, friends. Be gentle with your eyeballs, guys, okay? Oh. So there's a little bit of a difference, friends. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up as well. And then I'm gonna take the shade Flyby onto my brow bone just to highlight it a little bit. Alright, and for the lower lash line, friends, I'm just gonna go into Swarm with a denser brush. Not sure if you can see, friends. Ta-da! So I'm just gonna go onto the lower lash line with that shade. And I'm also going to go into the shade Drip with the same brush, just focusing it more on the outer part of my lash line, connecting it to the top. Alright, and for the inner corner, guys, I'm just going to take a very small detail brush. I'm going to go into the shade Honey, which is the brightest gold shade in the palette. I'm going to pop it into the inner corner. Alright guys, and that is it for the eyeshadow. I'm going to apply some eyeliner, mascara, and lashes just so you can see what the finished look looks like, so I'll be right back. And here is the finished eye makeup look, guys, using the new Urban Decay Honey palette, Naked Honey palette. Absolutely love this palette. It's so versatile. You can dress it up or dress it down. It's very easy to use. So for those of you wondering how to use it, if it's usable, especially for you beginners out there, I would definitely recommend this palette. The color combinations are gorgeous and beautiful, especially for the fall season, okay, or any time really. Like, how can you go wrong with bronze, browns, and golds, guys? But yes, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you like more of these videos, this style, let me know. Yeah. Yes, hopefully I will be filming more videos in the future, guys. But yes, remember, you'll never succeed if you're afraid to try. Bye, guys!